Wouldn't it be great to manage your clients, track time, and send invoices all from one simple platform? That juggling act of different tools for every step, from initial client onboarding to finally getting paid, can be exhausting. It's a workflow killer. For years, I struggled with this, but since moving my entire client management and payment process to Paymo, everything has changed. It's truly become my all-in-one hub. Today, I'm taking you inside my full Paymo setup so you can steal the best practices and streamline your own business. Handshake the client management blueprint. The first step in Paymo is setting up your clients. This might sound basic, but the way Paymo structures it is key to the whole system. Every project, every task, and every invoice links back to a specific client. I start by entering all the basic contact and billing information, but the real power comes in the next step. Projects. Within a client's profile, you create a new project. I use project templates for different service types, like a website design template or a monthly retainer template. This instantly sets up my standard task lists, predefined estimates, and even internal hourly rates. This single feature saves me hours every month. The client profile also acts as a central repository. Need to see every project you've ever done for them? Check. Need to know their total invoiced amount for the year? It's right there. Cuts down on digging through folders or old email chains. Stopwatch, time tracking, and expense capture. Now, let's talk about the work itself and making sure you get paid for every minute of it. This is where Paymo's integrated time tracking becomes essential. As soon as I start work, I use the desktop timer widget. It's non-intrusive and links directly to the current project and task. This eliminates the need for manual time logging, which, let's be honest, is where billable hours often get missed. For expenses, whether it's software subscriptions for a client or travel costs, I use the mobile app's expense tracker. I can snap a picture of a receipt, categorize it, and link it to the relevant project right then and there. This keeps my internal records clean and ensures those costs are ready for billing. The system then automatically compiles all these time entries and expenses into a timesheet report. This report is the bedrock of the entire billing process. It gives you, and eventually your client, a crystal clear breakdown of where the hours went. Moneybag automated payments and invoicing. This is the final and most crucial step, turning work into revenue. Paymo's financial features make this seamless. From that timesheet report, I generate an invoice with a single click. All the billable time and expenses are pulled in automatically. I customize the invoice with my company branding and add any necessary notes. If the project started with a quote, I convert the initial estimate directly into the final invoice. It keeps the numbers consistent and professional. The biggest game changer is the online payments integration. I've set up my Stripe and PayPal accounts within Paymo. This means when the client receives the invoice via email, there's a direct link to pay immediately using their preferred method. No more waiting for bank transfers or checks in the mail. For retainer clients, I use the recurring invoicing feature. I set the frequency, the amount, and the invoice is automatically generated and sent every month. It's passive income management at its best. By setting up my client-to-payment workflow this way in Paymo, I've virtually eliminated admin headaches. I save at least 5 hours a week, and I've seen a measurable drop in my average payment collection time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.